Now this is my favourite area. It's a hedgerow out the back of my house. It has honeysuckle and blackberries and all beautiful things, and it changes so much every season. I really love it. I wanted to tell you about my new monthly hangouts that are happening for my inner circle, and it's free to join up. We'll be meeting up for 40 minutes once a month to discuss self-care, positive mindset, and healing your relationship with yourself and with your body. I think it's really important for anybody who grew up in the 80s and 90s to unlearn a lot of the damaging messages that the diet industry gave us, and I think a lot of us feel disconnected from our bodies. So every month there'll be a self-care challenge which will help you to heal that connection, and we'll be able to discuss it at our monthly hangouts and also in our online comment sections as well. So it's something I wanted to do. I haven't brought the community together in a few years since I ran my self-care coaching workshops, and it's something I've really been missing. I've been missing that connection. It can be a lonely life as a solo entrepreneur, and I do a lot of work in the corporate space, but it's not the same as bringing together like-minded people. So this one is open for all genders and all neurotypes, and I am just excited to be bringing people together. If you can't make it live, next Wednesday the 14th of August at 8 p.m. GMT, we will be sharing the recording afterwards, so you can hang out there with us, and I'll be keeping an eye closely on all the comments so we can discuss all the topics there as well. So what will be happening in the 40 minutes is a bit of chit chat to open up and break the ice. Then I'll share some slides and we'll learn about positive mindset this month. That will be our focus. Then I'll set you the self-care challenge, which will help you to heal your relationship with your body firstly, because I think a lot of us are disconnected from our bodies, and it's just fun, it's positive, it's a place to discuss things as well. So we'll have open floor for Q&A and discussion as well, and you're welcome to join in with your camera or not. You're welcome to type into the chat or just observe, whatever way suits you best. You are welcome to be part of it. So I hope to see you there. What you have to do is sign up for my Inner Wellness Circle, which is a monthly newsletter anyway, and that's sent out at the end of every month for the following month. And the Zooms will happen every second Wednesday, so I'll be connecting with you now every 2 weeks. And yeah, I just can't wait to see you there. So if you have any questions, pop them below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. And please share this with a friend or family member who may need a boost as well. Thanks.